Namaskar friends, welcome to eSpirit World Channel. Native Americans are renowned for their medicinal plant knowledge. It is rumored that they first started using plants and herbs for healing after watching animals eat certain plants when they were sick. In order to protect these plants from overharvesting, the medicine men used to pick every third plant they found. Here are the most versatile plants the Native Americans used in their everyday lives. According to the Nutrition Business Journal, herbal dietary supplements continued to experience strong sales growth in the United States in 2019, with total sales increasing by an estimated 8.6% from 2018. The Native Americans had a spiritual view of life, and to be healthy, a person had to have a sense of purpose and follow a righteous, harmonious, and balanced path in life. They believed some illnesses were life lessons the person needed to learn and that they shouldn't interfere. Many modern remedies and medicines are based on the Native American knowledge of the different plants and herbs they used for thousands of years. Here are 15 of the America's most popular herbal medicines, including their main benefits and uses. Yarrow, Echillea millefolium. This fragrant flowering plant has been used since ancient Greece began using to stop excess bleeding. It is said the Greek hero Achilles used it on his wounds, hence the name. Pioneers and Aboriginal people applied this on open wounds and cuts as a poultice made from leaves to help clot the blood. They also combined fresh yarrow juice with water to help an upset stomach and for intestinal disorders. A tea made from the leaves and stems will act as an astringent. Sumac. This plant can be used for multiple medicinal remedies, but it is one of the only plants that the healers used in treating eye problems. A decoction from sumac was used as a gargle to relieve sore throats or taken as a remedy for diarrhea. The leaves and berries were combined in tea to reduce fever or made into a poultice to soothe poison ivy. Blackberry. The Cherokee used this plant for treating upset stomach. They used blackberry tea for curing diarrhea and soothing swollen tissues and joints. An all natural cough syrup to heal sore throats can be made from blackberry root mixed with honey or maple syrup. To soothe bleeding gums, they used to chew the leaves. This plant is also good for strengthening the whole immune system. Rosemary. Native American tribe considered this plant sacred. They used this mostly as an analgesic for elevating sore joints. This herb improves memory, relieves muscle pain and spasm, and helps the circulatory and the nervous systems. It also improves the immune system and treats indigestion. Mint. The Cherokee used to make a mint tea to soothe digestion problems and help an upset stomach. They also made a salve from the teas to relieve itching skin and rashes. Red clover. This plant has been used by healers for treating inflammation and respiratory conditions. Black gum bark. The Cherokee used to make a mild tea from the twigs and black gum bark to relieve chest pain. Ashwagandha. This plant was an important plant for healers because of its many unusual medicinal uses. It treats bone weakness, muscle weakness and tension, loose teeth, memory loss, and rheumatism. It can also be used as a sedative. It has an overall rejuvenating effect on the body as it improves vitality. The leaves and the root bark can also be used as an antibiotic. Last year in the US Natural Channel, ashwagandha was the seventh best selling herbal supplement that year, growing 16.9% to $12.5 million. Honeysuckle. This plant has been used as a natural remedy by the Native Americans for treating asthma, but it has multiple healing purposes, including rheumatoid arthritis, mumps, and hepatitis. It also helps with upper respiratory tract infections such as pneumonia. Lavender. Healers use this plant as a remedy for insomnia, anxiety, depression, headache, and fatigue. The essential oil has antiseptic and anti inflammatory properties. Infusions can be used to soothe insect bites as well as burns. Slippery elm. The Native Americans used the inner bark to fashion bowstrings, rope, thread, and clothing. Tea was made from the bark and leaves to soothe toothaches, respiratory irritations, skin conditions, stomach ache, sore throats, and even spider bites. Wild ginger. Healer used this plant for treating earache and ear infection. They also made a mild tea from the rootstock for stimulating the digestive system and relieving bloating. It also helps with bronchial infections and nausea. Wild rose. The Native Americans used this plant as a preventive and a cure for a mild common cold. The tea stimulates the bladder and kidneys and is a mild diuretic. A petal infusion was used for a sore throat. Uva ursi. Because of the bear's affection towards the plant's fruit, it is also known as bear berry and bear grape. The Native Americans used this plant mainly for treating bladder and urinary tract infections. Pull out a sticker. Green brier. This root tea was used as a blood purifier or for relieving joint pain. Some healers made a salve from leaves and bark mixed with hog lard, which was applied to minor sores, scalds, and burns. So, friends, hope you like this information. Write in the comment box and do not forget to share. Then we'll meet in the next video with a new topic. Thank you and goodbye.